Working with rooted shoots means you'll be collecting young shoots that extend from the base of the mother plant. See to it that a portion of the root system is still attached. Remove 1/4 of the leafage. Plant in a nursery pot filled with soil mix if you want to check over root development, or plant directly in the ground. If you don't have an older plant already, you can purchase a young plant in a store. Choose the location in the vegetable patch well, because artichoke is very ornamental thanks to its leaves and 5-foot flower. Specimens must be spaced 4 to 5 feet apart. Work diligently on the soil beforehand. Add compost or organic soil conditioner and mix it into the earth. Dig a large hole to plant the artichoke, which is a very demanding plant. Remove the plant from its pot and carefully disentangle its roots with a cultivator. Place the clump at the bottom of the hole. Cover with a blend of soil mix, garden soil and organic soil conditioner and shape the ground into a bowl around it. When finished, water. Cut the artichoke off with a hand pruner, about 8 inches from the flower. More young artichokes will appear later on.